Hello and welcome to my videos of learning Rust programming. My name is Ashish and today we are going to learn about mutability, immutability and constants in Rust programming language. In the Rust, variables can be either mutable or immutable. Additionally, Rust has a concept of constants, that is const. Let's explore each of these. So first of all, let's look at mutable, immutable variable. In Rust, in previous video also, we have seen to declare something like this. This is by default is immutable variable. So if I try to change the value of this apple later on in the program, compiler is not going to allow me. So this code is not even going to get compiled. If I want to create mutable type, then what I need to do is I need to specify mut keyword, and then I can once I provide this mut, then only I can change the value of this variable. Okay, so this is we already saw in previous videos. In the lifetime of variable, immutable variable is allowed to assign its value only at the first time. That is when you specify it like this, let apple equal to 6, then it is allowed. But later on, we are not allowed to modify. This is called as shadowing, as we have seen in previous videos. But this is not assigning a new value, but it is redeclaring the variable. So something similar, if I do, suppose let spaces equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then what I can do is I can again use spaces equal to spaces dot len. Okay, so this is also allowed. So what has happened? The data type of spaces was previously str. I am again redeclaring spaces. Now the data type of spaces has changed to usize. This is unsigned integer, which size depends on architecture of your underneath processor, and we are using this built-in library function spaces.len. So this is also allowed. This whole code will get compiled without any error. So yeah, so this is about mutability, immutability. Now let's move to last part, that is constant. Uh, so if you want to declare any constant, well, you define like this. So if I have, so there is a keyword const, and let's say if I define maximum value, and let's say it's like 60 star 100. So please remember that the value of the constant, it needs to be, it should be resolved at compile time. So there are few rules about these constants. Like immutable variables, constants are values that are bound to a name and are not allowed to change. But there are few differences between constants and variable. The first is you are not allowed to use mute with the constant. So I cannot use something like const mute. This is not allowed. And constants aren't just immutable by default. So there is no need to write. So constants can never be mutable. So the mute keyword is not allowed. And you declare constants using const instead of let keyword. Constants can be declared in any scope, including global scope. So I can define here, or I can even define it in a here. Okay, unlike let or mutable or immutable variable, I can define it in global scope also, which makes them useful for values that many parts of the code need to know about. The last difference is that the constants may be only to a constant expression, not the result of value that could be computed at the runtime. So here you have seen this value will get compiled at runtime, but here for constant you need to assign the value which is available at compile time only. I cannot assign any other value which will get compiled at which will be available at runtime and then assign. So this in this way, whenever you want to assign any, whenever you want to define any configurations, then you need to use this const keyword. So this is about mutable, immutable variables in Rust. If you're liking the content, then please share, like, subscribe so that these videos will get to more and more reach. Thanks for watching my video.